Today let us continue with exercise 8C, question 8.3. Evaluate the following. We have the value here. We have to calculate the value. We have sine 30, cos 60, sine 60, sine 45. So those value we know them from the table. So we have to apply the table using them. 4 from the question, let it remain 4. Then here sine 30 we know p by h, so it will be 1 by 2. Here you have power 4, so put whole power 4 plus plus. Now cos 60 we know b by h, again 1 by 2 whole to the power 4. Then minus 2 by 3. Here sine 60 is p by h, so root 3 by 2. We have square, so we put square, then minus cos 45 1 by root 2, so there we have square, plus 1 by 2 tan 60 is pb, so it will be root 3 by 1 whole to square we have. Okay, so let's remove the square now. Here you have 4, leave it 4 first. Here you have power 4, so multiply 4 times. 1 into 1 into 1 will be 1. 2 into 2, 4. Into 2, 8. Into 2, 16. Here also same. Then here 2 by 3, let it be. Here we have square, so root 3 into root 3 will be 3. 2 into 2, 4. Then here we have square again. 1 into 1, 1. Root 2 into root 2 will be 2. Then here we have root 3 square, so root 3 into 3 will be 3. So 3 into 1 will be 3 by 2. We finished to remove square, then here we have fraction. So let's find LCM. 16 same. So you can write 16. Numerator also will be same. 1 plus 1. Then minus there 2 by 3. LCM of 4 and 2 will be 4. So there we write 4. So take the fraction, multiply with LCM. 4 divide 4, 1 into 3, 3. Then 1 by 2 divide 4. 2 divide 4, 2 into 1, 2. Plus 3 by 2. So now, here you have 1 plus 1. No sign mean multiply. Then 2 by 3 into 3 minus 2 will be 1 there. So here 4 and 16 we can cancel. It will be 4 into 4. Again 2 into 1, 2 into 2. Here 2 we divide here, we get 2. 2 into 3 we get 6. So after we remove the bracket, now we can find LCM again. LCM of 2, 6 and 2 will be 6. So 1 by 2 into 6. 2 divide 6 will be 3. So here we get 3. We have minus 6 divide 6, 1. So 1 into 1, 1. Then 3 by 2 into 6. 2 divide 6 will be 3. So 3 into 3, 9. Then here we have plus 3 plus 9. So plus them together will be 12. Then minus 1. 12 minus 1 will be 11 by 6. So the value of this one will be 11 by 6. Then next also number 4 we have. Find the value of this one. Again we have cos 30, 45. So we have to use the same table. So let's replace it. From the table 2 by 3 let it be. Then from the table cos 30. Cos 30 we have base by hypotenuse. Root 2 by 2 whole power 4. Sine 45 1 by root 2 whole to the power 4 minus 3. Then here we have sine 60, we know root 3 by 2. We have square, so put whole square. Sec 45, we could know it's root 2 whole square plus 1 by 4. Cot 30, we know root 3 whole square. So there. So here you have 4 times. You multiply them 4 times. Okay. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3, 1 3 will come out. Root 3 into 3, 1 3 will come out. So 3 into 3, 9. Then here also 1 into 1 into 1, 1. Root 2 into root 2, 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4. Then 3. Root 3 square will be 3. 2 into 2, 4. Here also root 2 square will leave only 2. Root 3 square will be 3. So 3 into 1, 3. Now let us find LCM. In the bracket 16 and 4 will be 16. 16 divided 16, 1. 1 into 9, 9. 4 divided 16 we have 4. 4 into 1, 4. So there. 4 and 1 LCM will be 4. 4 divided 4, 1. 1 into 3, 3. 1 divided 4, 4. 4 into 2, 8. So there we have, okay. So 9 minus 4 here, 5. So 2 we can cancel here, will be 8. 8 into 3, 24. Then 8 minus 3, 5. 8 is greater, so we have minus. Minus to minus become plus. 3 into 5, 15 by 4. Now we find LCM for 24, 4 and 4. LCM will be 24. 24 divided 24, 1. 1 into 5, 5. 4 divided 24 will be 6. 6 into 15 will be 90. 4 divided 24, we get 6. 6 into 3, 18. All are plus. So you plus them, you will get the answer. Then next we have here number 5. We have cosec 65 plus theta minus this one minus this plus this. We have to find the value. So remember, we have with 65, we cannot use the complement, because complement will have to come with 90. Okay, complement they will come 90 plus or 90 minus, but here it's 65. So first we have to convert them using complementary angles. So here we have cosec. Okay, we need to get 90 minus something. So what to do? First we minus 90 with this one. 90 minus 65 plus theta. So there you have 90 minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. So there. So 10 minus 5 will be 5. 9 will be 8. 8 minus 2 will be 25 minus theta. This one has theta, this one no theta, so we cannot minus anymore. So to change cosec to another one, we have in place of theta, we have to put 25 minus theta. So that's why cosec, let it remain cosec. We come out to be 90 minus. So we already see 90 minus this one, we get this one. Okay. So now cosec will change to sec. 90 will go away. We are left with 25 minus theta. Then here we have 25 minus theta. No need to convert because we already have here. Leave it there. Then next we have tan 55 minus theta. So let us again find the value of theta. 90 minus 55 minus theta. So it will be 90 minus 55 minus to minus plus theta. So 90 and 55 we can minus. There plus theta. 35 and theta we cannot plus because one has alphabet as to say, one has no alphabet. So in place of theta we have to put with this. So tan, let remain tan 90 in order to convert it. So in place of theta we can replace 35 minus theta. Remember, we get it after we find its complement. That means we minus from 90. So then if you see, this one is 35 plus theta, no need to change. So cosec change to sec, 90 go away, we are left with 25 minus theta. Then this one, leave it like that. So here 1 plus 1 minus, we can cancel. Then this one tan change to cot. So 90 go away, we are left with 35 plus theta. So this is plus, this one leave it. Plus and minus, so you can cancel. And then everything will be equal to 0. Then next number 9(1), we have to find the value of sine 50 cos 40 plus cosec 50 sec 50 minus 4 cos 50 and cosec 40. So here clearly the value are not in the table, so we have to use the complementary angle. Sine, let it be sine. So 90 minus 50 we get 40. Since here we have 40 degree, this is 40 degree, so no need to change, leave it like that. Cosec will be cosec. 90 minus 40 we get 50. Here you have 50, here you have 50, so no need to change anymore. Then 4 cos 90 minus 50 will be 40. This one already 40, no need to change. So now, okay, sine will go to cos. So cos divided cos 40 will be 1. Cos sec will change to sec 50, because when they change 90 go away, sec 51. So 1 plus 1 we have 2. Then here cos will change to sine. Then cos sec we know it is 1 by sine. So again become 1. So 2 minus 4, the value will be equal to minus 2.